I wish you were here again, together with us to play football, or with your guitar playing a song, and see that beautiful season come back again, as it once was, once again at least, to be all in that time so young. And how much we have spoken under the sun, Led Zeppelin, Pink Floyd, girls' first love. Like a song that rises from yesterday's days, sometimes you still get into my thoughts. Before then, after laughing and jokes, together we share good and evil. Your memory runs within time, and something about you is here right now. Although I can't get back to what it was, although I can only say a prayer. You ran after a ball, you fell and you stayed there. On that October night, your life went like this, and now I'm here, looking back again. I always see your chest that has not moved, and I wish you were here again, to show me an opening with the horse and the pawn, and we'd be able to continue our game, only suspended in time, but not yet finished. Only suspended in time, but not yet finished. Only suspended in time, but not yet finished.